Hey guys, get ready with me to go to school using $8,000 worth of products that my parents had to take out a second mortgage for, but as long as I have the same things as like Alex Earle and Katie Fang, I'll be excellent. So, except actually instead of Sephora, I got the stuff from Temu, I think, and like this other place called like Cosmetic Capital, which is like in my city. So anyway, like firstly, so you know how like Katie Fang and all that use Glow Recipe, or like in Australia, it's like so much money. Like the Fruity Babies kit is like $60, and my fucking mother, she did not want to do like another 2 hours work at her third job to get me this, and I'm like, get with the program. How am I going to get TikTok famous without it? So anyway, I got these, which are called like Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow Brightening. Like I don't know what they do or anything like that, but they smell like watermelon, and like other girls on TikTok have them, so I have them. But like, yeah, on a real note, actually, if you use them as a toner, like in the morning, yeah, your skin looks fantastic, and like the ingredients are there. You can actually, like my mum said, like, oh, don't go using stuff from China that you don't know about, because she's a dumb bitch, right? But yeah, so she looked them up and you can buy them separately, and they're actually really good, and they have like all the same ingredients in it, and they smell like that. And like in the same way, she was like the sleeping mask is like over $100, so like she wanted me to have this one for like $7. Once again, bitch. But like on TikTok, if I just hold it like that, I don't think anyone will be able to like tell, because it's like anyway, so it's some brand Watermelon Glow sleeping mask, and it comes with like a little spatula. This is glass and stuff, so once again, it does exactly the same thing. Anyway, bitch that she is, she should have just got me the brand names. Also, like, I wanted Clarins lip oil, because like, oh, that other one, $7.99 from Temu, which like, you know, I would rather she spent $160 at on the other one. But anyway, next one is like, I wanted the Clarins lip oil, and then she got me this, like Hello Kiss, you know, $7. I know it looks like almost exactly the same, lip glow oil, and in the colour 3 raspberry, and like, yeah, it looks the same, it feels the same, it works the same and stuff, but like, I can't like be like, oh, here's my dual lip oil. I just have to, oh, she got me this other one, like at oil or something by NYX, and like, as if. So anyway, I'm forced to use this lip glow oil in number 3 raspberry, and it was like $2.50 or something, and yet it feels exactly the same, whatever. But like, she should have thought about this before she had kids. Like, you know, if you can't get them 18 pairs of Nike and like Lululemon clothes and an iPhone, you should really like just not have them. Also, like like I collect Burt's Bees. I don't actually use them or anything. I just like have them aesthetically in my room. So like this time she got me strawberry and the plain honey one, and also the cucumber mint. But do you know what the bitch did? Like, oh, so we got some stuff, and my neighbour is like a year older than me, and like, yeah, we're friends, you know. Like, last night she came over and like we watched movies and stuff. Mum wanted us Sundays and stuff. But anyway, so Mum like got her birthday present, and then because she didn't know it was her birthday, she put some of the extra stuff that she'd ordered in for her. So I got the cucumber mint one too, but like Mum put it in her birthday bag because she's a bitch. So now I've got like pomegranate, raspberry, strawberry, and just plain. And like I said, I don't use them anyway. I just like have them in my locker so they look cool. And then, like, because of the watermelon stuff, I wanted the setting spray. Once again, she's a bitch, and she just like, she's like, that amount of money could feed a family for a week, and like, the family shouldn't eat that much, then they wouldn't be fat, and I could also have the stuff I want. But like, I've got the Essence one that had like good stuff, like 3-in-1 face mist, hydrate, fix, and refresh with watermelon extract. So like, yeah, it does the same thing once again. Yeah, it works great. But like, I wanted the Glow Recipe one because the bottle's cute, and like, this is like $4.50 on Cosmetic Capital. So anyway, then on also got this foundation brush which like works fantastically. It's so soft and dense and stuff. But once again, I was from Temu for like $1. So like, how am I going to go viral with this? I need the Refer sculpting brush. I don't know what that is or how to use it or even the brand name, but like, I don't think she wants me to be TikTok famous or something because she's a bitch. Then also, I got this, like, probiotic skin hair. So it's a rose hip oil stick, and like, you use it around your eyes and stuff because, like, being, nearly 14, I have like so many wrinkles. And also, she's like, yeah, you don't need to be using that much skincare and stuff at your age at that price, but like, I do, because otherwise I might end up looking like her. And that's amazing because like, I get some psoriasis and stuff, and that's ugly. Don't tell anyone, like, unless Alex Earle or whatever gets it, and yeah, and then like, then I'll tell people. Also, I got this off Temu, and it's like the actual brand. It's not a dupe, and like, I gave it to my mum to try because she's like fugly with massive paws, and yeah, now she's looking better. And also, this is like a Benetint dupe that we got off there, a lipstone type thing. It works perfectly. Do you know, like, apparently, back in the day, like, so one of these is sold every second across the world, but like, they're real ones because some people have parents who care about them. And strippers used to use it to make their, like, nipples look red. Isn't that funny? But anyway, this dupe for like $2 works really well because, like, the other one's like $64 in Australia. Oh, and also, I wanted the Refi of the Mario blush in raspberry. Once again, she doesn't give a shit because she got me this one, like, in raspberry, double-headed blush stick. So it's like, yeah, blush. And then on the bottom, blending thing, $3. Yeah, it's called raspberry. Yeah, it looks fantastic on the skin, but I mean, come on. It doesn't have the right brand name on it. I'm going to have to like make her buy a Cricut so she can print them